How to add Visa gift card to Oculus Quest 2. For this, you'll get the application as MetaQuest from your Play Store or App Store. Just go ahead and search for Oculus Quest. You have to download the application of MetaQuest, then tap Open. Once you have installed this application, make sure it is up to date. Now tap on Don't Share for now. You can allow all of the permission it can ask for. Oculus Quest 2 or MetaQuest is a virtual reality headset that offers wireless freedom and immersive experience. Its built-in sensor tracks your movement, allowing you to interact with virtual environments without the need for external sensors. It's easy to set up and it is affordable as well. So once you have landed in the home page, tap on the menu icon at the bottom. From here, you have to select the option of Settings. Tap on Payment Methods. Now select Add Credit or Debit Card. You have to fill out this form regarding all the essential details and credentials of your Visa credit card. Firstly, add the credit card number, then add your CVV, your valid until, that is the expiration date, zip code, country and state. Once you have filled out this layout form, tap on Add. And voila, you have successfully added your Visa gift card to Oculus Quest 2. Isn't it simple? So go ahead and give it a try and thank you so much for tuning in.